Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will tell you how you can add a link your Instagram story. Please, friends, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes, write comments, and let us get started with you. Friends, let's say you found some interesting article or you would like to add some link to some website or something to your story. Then I will show you how to do it very easily, literally in a few clicks. So, first of all, please go to some web browser, in my case it will be Safari, and open up some website, let's say. To copy the link, you will need to click on the name of the site and hold. You'll get a menu like this, and then you take copy. In this way, you will copy the link. Next, friends, exit the web browser and open Instagram already. When you open Instagram, swipe from left to right to go to create a story. Here, friends, you can take a photo or video with your camera, Instagram, or add a photo or video from your gallery. I'm going to add from my gallery. And let's say here I have a picture like this. And then to add a link at the top, click on this second sign right here, the smiley face sign. And then select the link here. And then, friends, click and hold it down. Until you get a menu like this. Select paste. And as you can see, the link was instantly added. Or if you know the name of the site, you can just write the name of the site and then click ready. As you can see, instantly the link has been created. And now you can move it to any part of your story. So you can also make it smaller, bigger, as you like. After that, in order to publish the story, just click your story. Wait just a few seconds for it to publish. And now when you open the story, or one of your followers will be looking at your story, you'll have a link here, and when you click on it, a little window like this will pop up. And to go to the site, you have to open the site, click. And as you can see in this way, friends, you go to the site that you added in the link. So this is the way you can very quickly and easily add a link to your Instagram stories. I hope, friends, that this video was helpful and useful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also put likes and write comments. Bye-bye.